look at that view.
No wheelies, no stoppies, no sneller fallen.
Can you feel the breeze of the sea? How was the riding today, VDB? But everything is done now. They promise tomorrow will be a really good day. First in the morning some track riding, and then in the afternoon we go up in the mountains, and then we're gonna send it, baby. So see you guys tomorrow. Ow.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Whoa. You have to choke these bikes. It's like not it's not injection, so you have to keep a lot of throttle to start it. You like the ride out so far?
Yes, it's pretty calm, but I think it will escalate.
Yeah, I think so
next
too.
day.
We're gonna make sure of it. See?
We're in the starlight now.
Hallo.
Hallo?
Hallo?
Wat is passiert? What happened? My little sensei.
Well, that's the bike of Manu Hermuna. Yeah, and he's riding in the back, so he needs to catch up.
You're so slow. He's so slow that it overhits the bike. It's amazing.
There goes my confidence. It's all down the drain now. Thank you. Thank you.
Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime.
Hey, dude. Dude, do a burnout. Yeah, yeah, do a burnout.
A lot of lights on my dashboard as well, but F1 ABS, fuel light, oil light, perfect. Let's send them.